Prophylactic and Curative Health Services for Stroke and Its Comorbidities. By Karagitha, Kandi Sandhya Devi, Madhvanini Shishla, Achula Sripriya, and T. Rama Rao. Stroke, characterized by acute, focal neurological deficits, results from vascular injury leading to infarction or hemorrhage in the central nervous system. It is a major global health concern, ranking as the second most common cause of death in middle to high-income countries and the primary cause of acquired physical disability in adults worldwide. Incidence rates of ischemic and hemorrhagic stroke have risen, with low-income countries bearing a significant burden of stroke-related disability-adjusted life years and deaths. In India, the death rate has been noted around 44 per 1 lakh in the year 1990 and has increased to 55 per 1 lakh in the year 2021. The number of stroke attacks each year is around 1,85,000. Ischemic stroke is caused by arterial occlusion due to various etiologies, while hemorrhagic stroke involves blood vessel rupture. Diagnosis relies on imaging techniques and clinical assessments. Stroke risk factors are categorized into non-modifiable and modifiable factors, including hypertension, diabetes, and lifestyle habits. Nutritional factors and dietary patterns also influence stroke risk. Management strategies encompass acute interventions, rehabilitation, and preventive measures targeting risk factors. Multidisciplinary approaches involving healthcare professionals are essential for minimizing brain damage, optimizing recovery, and preventing recurrent strokes. Effective stroke management aims to improve patient outcomes and reduce the global burden of this debilitating condition. The scope of knowing prophylactic and curative health services for stroke and its comorbidities involves a multidisciplinary approach encompassing prevention, acute care, rehabilitation, and long-term management strategies. Effective management requires collaboration among healthcare professionals, patients, and caregivers to optimize outcomes and quality of life for individuals affected by stroke. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.